And I'm kinda late to the game, but I bought the Rubik's anniversary cube. And today I'm going to be unboxing it. Let's get into it. But first, I think you have to take out the little tape here. Let's do it. There. Oh! Wait. This looks very cool. It comes with this little stand, which is amazing. Let's check out the cube though. So I have to take out this. That is so cool. What else? Look at the gold finish. Very cool. I know they tried to go back to their old ways, but this is not that good, right? It's a Rubik's brand. But look at this. It's so hard. At least it has a stand, right? Yeah, good, right? Yeah, don't buy this cube. Yo, so this cube is very good, right? It has very good corner cutting. Very good, right? Very. I can't turn it, bro. I can't turn it. Oh, I'm back. So I got this cube from Walmart. Yeah, I'm taking this back because this cube sucks, bro. Do not buy it. Do buy it if you just are a collector and just don't really care if it's good or not. And yeah, I'm going to take it back to the store. And yes. So as you see, this is a very good cube. And it's just to gather my point that the cube is not good. Yeah, don't buy it.